Today's topic is multiplying polynomials. I can statement, multiply polynomials using box method and distributive method. Vocabulary: polynomial is a sum of terms. Monomial, binomial, and trinomial means how many terms are in there. Monomial being one term, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms. And exponent. When you have an exponent, you have the large number, which we call the base, and the small number, which we call the exponent, or the power. Example 1 is just a review of the distributive property. Try these on your own and check with me. First one, distributing a 4. 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times negative 5, negative 20. And the next one, I'm distributing a 2x. 2x times x. Each of those x's have an invisible power of 1. And when you multiply exponents, you add their powers, giving me 2x to the second. And 2x times 4, 8x. On the last one, we're distributing 3x squared to 3 terms. 3x squared times x cubed. Add the powers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3x to the 5th. 3x squared times 2x, invisible power 1. Leaves me 6x to the 3rd. And 3x squared times negative 6, negative 18x squared. I'm going to first teach you how to use the distributive property. What we have here is 2 polynomials multiplying each other. To use the distributive property, we are going to distribute every term. I'm going to start with the first term, 2x, and I'm going to distribute it to the second polynomial. And let's do the multiplying. 2x times x, 2x squared, 2x times 18, 36x. Now I need to distribute the second term to the polynomial as well. Negative 1 times x and negative 1 times 18. Negative 1 times x, negative 1x, negative 1 times 18, negative 18. After I've done all the multiplying, I can simplify these terms by combining like terms in descending order. I already have the highest power listed first, with no other like terms. I can combine 36x and negative 1x to be 35x. And last, negative 18. Let's try another example. X squared, I'm going to distribute that to the second polynomial. X squared times x gives me x cubed. X squared times 11 gives me 11x squared. I'm going to repeat the same process, distributing the second term. 9x times x gives me 9x squared, and 9x times 11 gives me 99x. Once I have all the multiplying done, combine like terms in descending order. Highest power, x cubed. I have like terms of x squared. 11x squared plus 9x squared leaves me 20x squared. And last, 99x. Example 3, using the box method. The box method is very similar to the distributive method. It just organizes all the multiplying into boxes. Both methods work and you can choose your favorite. To use the box method, we need to create boxes. We are going to put boxes around every term. So we're going to write the first polynomial out, 3x plus 4, and the second polynomial down the side, 2x with the negative 3. Take the negative with the 3. Now I can create boxes by drawing lines through all of them. And you can see I've made some blank boxes here I'm going to fill in. In each box, I'm going to multiply the row and column that it matches. For the top left box, I'm going to multiply 3x and 2x to get 6x squared. If I move down a box, I'm going to multiply 3x and negative 3, getting a negative 9x. If I move over, 4 times 2x gives me the 8x. That's an ugly 8. And moving down, 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Now this is just the multiplying, it's not the answer. I need to take these 4 blue terms and put them in descending order, combining like terms. The cool thing about this is it's already in descending order, starting from the top, and the diagonals are your like terms. So I start at the top with 6x squared, combine my like terms of negative 9x and 8x to be negative 1x, and last negative 12. Let's try using the box method with a larger polynomial. The box method is best for the larger numbers or bigger polynomials. We're going to start by drawing the boxes. So I'm going to put 2x plus 3 on the top. And down the side I'm going to list my 3 terms. X squared, 3x, and the negative 1. Again, take that negative with it. Let's make the boxes. This time I'm going to have to multiply 6 different times in these 6 boxes. Try to do the multiplying on your own. Check with me. 2x times x squared gives me 2x cubed. 2x times 3x gives me 6x squared. And 2x times negative 1, negative 2x. Next row, 3 times 2x gives me 3x squared. 3 times 3x, 9x. And 3 times negative 1, negative 3. But again, I still need to write my answer in descending order, combining like terms. The highest power, x to the thirds, at the top. And if I check my diagonals, I can see those are like terms. 6x squared, 3x squared gives me 9x squared. My other diagonal is my other like terms, 7x, and last negative 3. Example number 4. I want you to pick a method. You can use the distributive or the box method. Both are great. Try this example on your own. Check your answer with me. I'm going to use the box method because I can already see it's a larger polynomial. If you use the distributive method, you will still have the correct multiplying terms I have. So if I do my multiplying, I will get 3x cubed, 18x squared, and 30x. Keep multiplying, I get 4x squared, 24x, and last 40. If I combine like terms in descending order, highest power cubed, like terms, another set of like terms, and squeeze that 40 in at the end. Lesson wrap up. Can you now multiply polynomials using the distributive method and the box method? If you need more help, rewatch the videos, link to the additional resources, or come in for help.